Bebo with hiccups.
Oof.
Day 1.
Ouch. It looks so painful. You okay, baby? See his eyes?
He doesn't have a neck until he hiccups, and then it's just...
Ouchie. Ouch. Poor baby. Oh, honey. Oh.
He's like, I'm chubby.
Let's wrap him up. He's fucking cold.
I'm chubby. That's what you look like you're thinking, buddy. When you're getting old enough to talk, you have to tell me what you really were thinking.
Okay, honey. We're gonna stop picking on you. Hi. Hi. Oh, do those hurt? Yeah. I'm sorry. Those are huge hiccups, Dave. Do you think you got it from me?
Yeah, Mom's got big hiccups too, but I forgot, and she always makes me laugh too. Alright, see you later, Bebo. Say goodbye.
Did you see that?
His hand just went out.
It did. He waved at you.
See you, Bebo.
He's so smart.
There's paws, we should say.
Okay. Daddy's gonna hold you. Maybe give him his binky and see if that helps him to stop.
Alright. See you later.